Yeah, I mean, it's very difficult to know exactly how generative AI is going to impact these networks. What we do know is that there's going to be more reliance on very data-intensive, data-heavy applications. That's a given. We also know that we all require and we all consume more bandwidth. So just with those two trends alone, if we get more speed, more throughput, more bandwidth into our homes and our businesses, if we get reduced latency, if we get more reliability through these networks, then we're going to be able to support whatever applications and use cases come along through the use of generative AI. We can really see its impact right now in a lot of enterprise applications, certainly call centers where they're using AI chatbots, smart manufacturing already. So that's where we're already seeing the impact and the need for faster speeds, higher throughput, and reduced latency. Sure, some of the big benefits of fiber to the room that we see, particularly in MDU applications where you're going to have sometimes issues with contention, channel contention, signal contention between multiple users that occupy the same building. So FTTR solves clearly the bandwidth issue that we sometimes see with Wi-Fi, and also the ability for users to roam throughout their homes without having to re-register at different access points throughout the home. That's going to change the use case and also the ease of use within the home, especially if you've got fiber to every single room. You're delivering significantly more bandwidth to each access point within the room, and then you're also sharing all that bandwidth, as well as in some cases sharing network attached storage within the ONTs to deliver a much cleaner user experience using that FTTR application than you would if you just relied on Wi-Fi alone. Sure, I think 50 gigabit PON and absolutely going to support those generative AI services and all the applications and use cases that come with that. Again, more bandwidth, higher throughput, reduced latency, all of those benefits that you get from deploying higher throughput technologies like 50 gig PON, even 100 gig, 200 gig PON down the road. That's only going to serve to benefit and support application consumption and usage in both residential customers' homes as well as enterprise customers. Sure, some of those applications that we're seeing now include the use in smart manufacturing, where you're talking about a heavy reliance on very low latency requirements that you have in order for those applications to run smoothly. In the home, we're hearing more about cloud-based network attached storage so that users can access files and videos and photos and things very quickly, much better than they have even if they have a localized home NAS. Cloud gaming, online gaming, the demands and quality of those games, as well as the depth of the worlds and universes that they create and how players interact, those are going to require much lower latency and of course much higher throughput for those gamers to get the type of experience that they expect.